Hello class 7th. The last class I taught determination of a density of a regular solid, irregular solid and density of a liquid. Students, hope you are reading the chapter sincerely. Now today is the last topic of this chapter is speed. And students, you have read this topic in the earlier class, in 6th class, in mathematics and the physics. In the both of subjects you have read the speed. Okay, so before speed I am explaining the state of any object. State of any object, it means rest or a मोशन कंडीशन. ऑल ऑफ यू नोज अबाउट द कंडीशन ऑफ अ रेस्ट. जितनी भी आपकी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स होती हैं वो रेस्ट की कंडीशन पे रहती हैं. और कब तक रेस्ट की कंडीशन पे रहती हैं? जब तक कि उनको कोई पुश ना करे या कोई फोर्स अप्लाई ना करे, तब तक वो अपनी कंडीशन में स्टेशनरी रहेंगी अकॉर्डिंग टू द सर्टेन टाइम इंटरवल. एंड इफ द बॉडी इज इन अ मोशन कंडीशन अकॉर्डिंग टू द surrounding area according to the certain time interval, that the condition of a object is in motion. It means, why I'm explaining the condition of a rest and why I'm explaining the condition of a motion, because of speed is depend on a condition of a motion only, not rest. Okay, because all of you knows about that speed equals to rate of change of distance in a certain time interval. It means एक certain time interval में हम कितनी distance को travel करते हैं, this is defined your speed. अगर हम कहीं से कहीं जा रहे हैं, you are going home to school or a school to home, then you are measuring a distance. Then by using a distance you are measuring a time also. ओके ये नहीं कि केवल डिस्टेंस मेजर करे और टाइम में भी स्टॉप, या फिर केवल टाइम आपका बढ़ रहा है, डिस्टेंस नेवर भी. हाँ, टाइम कभी भी ज़ीरो नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि ऑल ऑफ यू नोज अबाउट दिस कि टाइम नेवर भी स्टॉप. हाँ, डिस्टेंस ज़ीरो हो सकती है बट टाइम नेवर भी stop. That's why I'm explaining the condition of a rest. Rest in the sense of, suppose I'm taking this pen. This pen is a non-living thing. That's why कि if I'm not pushing this pen, then it remain in the same place. Okay, अभी मैंने अगर इसे रखा हुआ है 6 बजे, तो ये रात के 6 बजे तक यहीं पे रहेगी. क्यों? क्योंकि जब तक मैं इसे पुश नहीं कर सकती, बिकॉज दिस इज अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग. सो टाइम तो चेंज हुआ ना, मैंने सुबह 6 बजे रखी और रात के 6 बज गई, तो टाइम तो चेंज हो गया, 12 आवर का डिफरेंस आ गया. दैट्स वाई द कंडीशन ऑफ दिस पेन इज इन rest condition. If a body is not changing their position with respect to certain time interval, yeah, with respect to its surrounding condition, that's why the position of a object is in rest. Okay, suppose a body is in a continuously motion condition by with respect to a certain interval of time, yeah, with respect to its surrounding area, then the condition of an object is in motion. And you can see in your book कि a body is said to be rest when it does not change its position with respect to surrounding, while a body is said to be motion when it changes its position with respect to its surrounding. Now, when a body is in a motion, the length of a path traveled by it in a certain time is called the distance moved by it in that duration. This is expressed by the unit meter. Because of what is the definition of a distance? Distance is depend on path, how much path traveled by you. Okay, and by using a measure of path you will use a meter ruler. Then that's why you will use a meter ruler is in meter. Okay, so the standard unit of a distance is meter. Clear? Now we see many moving objects around us. To find which one is moving faster or slow, here is using faster and slow. It means suppose I'm taking the 2 students and I'm giving a task कि measure this distance. Okay, अगर ज़रूरी अगर दोनों फर्स्ट आए, ओके, अगर एक फर्स्ट आया, 1 सेकंड आया, या दोनों फर्स्ट आए, जब एक फर्स्ट और 1 सेकंड आएगा, देन व्हाट यू विल से, यू विल से कि जो फर्स्ट आया दैट स्टूडेंट इज मच स्पीड इन कंपैरिजन ऑफ द सेकेंड वन, कि एक की जो स्पीड थी वो क्या थी, ज़्यादा थी. डिस्टेंस दोनों ने सेम ट्रैवल की, बट टाइम इज डिफर फ्रॉम ईच ऑफ अदर. दैट्स वाई बाय कंपैरिजन ऑफ अ टाइम द स्पीड्स आर डिफर फ्रॉम ईच ऑफ अदर. क्लियर? दैट्स वाई फास्ट और स्लो आप किससे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, दियर स्पीड से. वी मेजर द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बाय अ डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट इन द सेम interval of a time. Now, for example, if we compare the motion of a car and bulk log cart on the road, we find that the car travels more distance than the bulk cart in the same interval of time. So we can say the car moves faster than the bulk cart. You can say many example you have कि suppose मैंने simply आपके पास example दिया कि you are racing, suppose a two car. How can you find out कि whose speed is greater? Then you will say कि you can comparison कि अगर जिसकी speed सपोज मैंने डिस्टेंस सेम दे दी, मैंने बोला कि यहाँ से यहाँ जाना है एंड दिस इज अ 5 मीटर डिस्टेंस. ओके, यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाना है, देन ऑब्वियसली दोनों डिस्टेंस तो सेम ट्रेवल करेंगे, बट बाय कंपैरिजन ऑफ अ टाइम, कि जो टाइम कम लगाएगा उसकी स्पीड क्या होगी, ज़्यादा होगी. नाउ सो the definition of a speed की rate of change of distance in a certain interval of a time or the distance covered by a body is called speed. That's why की speed equals to distance upon time. Distance, the SI unit of a distance is meter and the SI unit of a time is second. That's why the unit of a speed is meter per second and you can write meter into second to the power -1. Okay, this is a SI unit. Now the same as the CGS unit of distance is centimeter and the CGS unit of a time is, what is the CGS unit? Time. Time is always measured in second. Okay, this is a smaller and the bigger unit of speed is distance is measured by kilometer and the bigger unit of a time is hour. So other unit is kilometer per hour. So the next topic is your relation between kilometer per hour and meter per second. Now the same as the last day I taught the relation between the SI unit of a density and CGS unit of density. The same relation you will use, the same pattern you will use, step the same. You will comparison the numerator part, you will comparison the denominator part. Okay, then all of you knows about कि 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter and all of you knows about this कि 1 hour equals to 60 into 60 second. Okay, so what you will need, kilometer per hour and meter per second, and you can see in the left side kilometer hour, right hand side meter and second. When you will get kilometer per hour, when you will divide equation 1 divided by equation 2, then equation 1 divided by equation 2, then you will get कि 1 kilometer per hour equals to 1000 upon 60 into 60 meter per second. Okay, then by cancellation you will get 0 is cancellation by 0, 0 is cancellation by 0, then 2 5 ja, then 2 3 ja, then you will get 5 by 3 6 ja, 18 meter per second. So here is the relation between kilometer per hour. Now the important thing, see, in the numerical part, I think all of you knows about how to solve the numerical problem of related to speed, because in 6th class you have read the numerical problem about the speed. Ki speed equals to distance upon time. Distance equals to distance and time you have given, then you can find out the speed. If you have to find out the distance, then you can interchange कि density equals to speed into time. Clear? if you have to find out the time period, then you can easily interchange कि time equals to density upon speed. Okay, but you can see the situation. If the situation is in kilometer per hour, okay, and the condition you have given, you have to write your speed is in meter per second, okay, then you have to do multiply with 5/18. क्लियर. अगर आपको किलोमीटर पर आवर में स्पीड दी हुई है एंड यू हैव टू चेंज किलोमीटर पर आवर इनटू मीटर पर सेकेंड, देन यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विद 5/18. क्लियर. इफ यह सिचुएशन इज इन अ मीटर पर सेकेंड दिया हुआ है एंड यू हैव टू चेंज योर स्पीड इज इन किलोमीटर पर आवर, देन यू विल इंटरचेंज. Okay, 18 is multiplied with 1 and 5 is converted as a denominator. Then 1 meter per second equals to 18/5 kilometer per hour. Clear? These two relation are important to you कि 1 kilometer per hour equals to 5/18 meter per second and 1 meter per second equals to 18/5 kilometer per hour. It means जब आपको किलोमीटर पर आवर में दिया है और आपको मीटर पर सेकेंड में चेंज करना है, then you have to multiply with 5/18. अगर आपको मीटर पर सेकेंड में दिया हुआ है and you have to change मीटर पर सेकेंड into किलोमीटर पर आवर, then you have to multiply with 18/5. Clear? This is second, not 5, and this is 5. So your chapter is completed. Read the chapter, be clearly. If you have any doubt, then I will take your doubt after the lockdown, but still learn the chapter and learn the question answers. Okay, and tick जिसमें आपको doubt है. Thank you.